Welcome to our YouTube video on forging. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what forging means in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Forging is a manufacturing process where metal is shaped by applying compressive forces, usually with a hammer or press. This process refines the metal's grain structure, improving its strength and durability. Think of forging like a blacksmith hammering hot iron. The repeated force shapes the material into a stronger and more useful form. So, why is forging so important? Because it produces stronger and more reliable parts, improves material properties, is widely used in automotive, aerospace, and construction industries, and ensures components can withstand heavy loads and stress. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.